Do y'all know what we're building today? We're gonna build a cute storage bench, a great place to keep your shoes, and we're building a really cool wall piece to hang your coats.
And we're rolling all of those projects into one piece and calling it the Modern Farmhouse Hall Tree.
So here we go.
All you need to build this Modern Farmhouse Hall Tree is 5 2x4s, 3 2x2s, and 1 2x10.
That's it?
And some cute hardware. We've got these hooks that we're gonna link to in the description box below, and some fancy nail heads.
All right, Ash, so tell us the first step here.
Okay, first step is that we are going to build the posts, and I wanted thick, chunky posts for the hall tree. So we're using 2x4 that I've ripped the edges off of them, and we're gonna laminate them together. Now, because of time, and we're videoing this, we are going to actually use our nailer to attach these together, but if you've got time, clamp and glue these overnight, and then you can build the next day.
So we've done hall trees before, but we really wanted to cater to a smaller space. A lot of you live in spaces that require smaller entryways, and we thought this is a perfect solution for hanging bags, coats, right when you walk in the door without a huge dedicated mudroom.
And it's also gonna have a bench on it, like a small bench, so that you can like sit and put your shoes on, or you
have a
could
snack. You can sit down and have a snack. So we have both of our posts laminated at this point, and it's time to add our feet.
So we're going to attach the foot pads to the feet first. And these are just 2x4s that we have given a little 45-degree miter cut on the edge to make them look pretty. And we're going to put one foot pad on the end of that mitered edge and attach it with wood glue and finish nails. So now we have our foot pads done, and we're going to attach them to the bottom of each leg.
And I'm just using a scrap piece of 1x that will give me exactly what I need, the space I need to make sure that it's nice and flush.
Wood glue.
Sorry.
And we're going to attach
You
this
have one
to...
right next to you.
I always take your wood glue.
Now we're adding the hook board that goes along the top, and we are attaching this using 2.5-inch pocket hole screws through that hook board and into each of our posts. You want to make sure you line it up 1 inch from the top of each post and 3/4 of an inch both ways between the post sides, you would say?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Just check the plans for that one.
That's probably a good idea.
Okay, we've got the hook board attached. Now we're going to lay it down because we've got some runners bases on the bottom that we're going to attach with pocket hole screws. All right, we've got 2 runners, and one is going to go on the back side right here, pocket holes facing down, and the other one is going to go just below the foot pads.
Okay.
And we're going to attach them with 2.5-inch pocket hole screws and wood glue.
So what's next?
Next, we're gonna build the divider. It's super simple. This is just a 2x10, and I have ripped it down to 9 inches wide. We're gonna put some trim on the front and the back side so that it's wide enough to go underneath the seat and add support.
Let me step into frame here.
You're so funny.
So I'm gonna go ahead and mark center, which is 17 3/4. And that way Ashley knows where to line it up at.
We've got pocket holes on this side. We are going to fill those with our favorite wood filler. I will link that in the description box below, so it doesn't matter which side the pocket holes face. Now, the reason we have this is to give that seat some support. That way, if you have like too many snacks.
Right, too many snacks and you need to sit on your hall tree bench, you don't break it.
Okay, now we've got the divider on. Let's attach the slats.
I'll get the slats.
Whitney's getting the slats.
I'll get the slats. I've got the slats. Ah! All the slats. All right, guys, so on these slats right here, we've gone and cut a 45-degree angle just to make it cute. It just adds a little shiny flair. We're gonna line these up right where the edge of that cut meets the front of this brace piece. And we're gonna attach everything using wood glue and our nailer. So what we're doing now is we've laid them all out and we're evenly spacing them using the old eyeball method. And
Whitney's eyeball's a little bit better than mine because I have a really bad astigmatism.
She always has an excuse for everything, guys. Oh, that's what's wrong with this piece. Ashley has an astigmatism.
There's nothing wrong with it. It's actually really awesome. This is the best project I've ever done.
Slats are done, and now we're gonna build the seat.
It's looking like a hall tree. Looks even better now.
We're taking this longer board here, and we're attaching a 2x4 to the other end of it leave 3.5 inches on each side because we did that to help you out. That way you don't have to cut the grooves for the sides. Attach those using 2.5-inch pocket hole screws and wood glue.
So our seat is done. Now we're going to attach it to the divider and to the legs on the inside. Okay.
There we go.
That's a good fit right there.
Yes, it is.
If I do say so myself. Seat's attached. Now it's time to add the trusses. And these are not structural. They're just to be cute.
They're decorative. And these are just going to be cut at a 45-degree angle and attached using wood glue and nails. At this point, we would suggest that you paint your hall tree or stain it, whatever you want to do. But we're gonna go ahead and add our hardware just because we want to show you guys how cute it is.
It's so cute, and this was so inexpensive. We found these hooks. You get a pack of 10 for like $14, and
yes,
we are going to link in the description box below so you can find them. This is like the easiest way to put hardware on. Just get your sister to attach it.
Hooks are done. Let's set her up.
Oh my gosh.
How cute is that?
So cute.
Perfect piece for those of you with a small space because it gives you a dedicated spot to throw all your junk.
And if you have a really big space, you could put like one next to each other.
Oh, that'd be so cute. Yes, you could do like a whole room like this. Y'all be sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss all of our fun builds. Good job,
All right,
Ash.
now it's time for snacks.
Snack attack!
Snack attack. The only part of me that's taller than her is my torso. And probably my head, maybe my forehead.
All right, you guys.
Modern Farmhouse Hall Tree. Dang it.
And the back of the board. And then we'll attach it to the dividers. No. That was aggressive.
Speed racer. Sheesh Louise.
I'm
Happy.
Tell me if that looks all right. Looks good to me.